On the first problem, we use one for loop here. You input a number n, and since for loop doesn't include the upper bound, you need to plus one here. And the print function will be executed n times to print the number. Since the print function will create a new line, here we use end to prevent the function to create a new line. And run this program. We enter number. We print the natural number sequence. For the second problem, we give a demo using the for loop. In each loop, we exchange the bit value to A and update the bit value. Here, the underline means the loop variable is not used inside the loop. Run this program. You can see that it gives the right results. For the third program, we use two nested for loop to implement it. The outer loop iterates from 0 to n, and the inner loop calculates the factor of I. When I equal to 0, the inner loop doesn't execute, and the fact remains 1, which is right to for 0. We input 2 here, and you can see it gives the right answer. Fourth problem. If we run the program, you can see the left program is different from the right program. There's nothing in the first line here. This is because the inner loop doesn't execute, so nothing is printed when the number is 0. Here, when the inner loop variable is 0, nothing is printed. Fifth program, since the number is changed in the loop, here the variable number is changed. We need to create another variable to copy its value. Here, we first run this program. You can see the original number is 0, it's wrong. And we create a new variable to copy its value. And we run this program. You can see we get the right answer. This problem, we give a demo using for loop. You can think about rewriting the program by using the while loop. After observation, we can find that the lower right triangle has rows n in n line. We first use the outer loop, decrease from rows to 0 to control how many rows we have, and use the inner for loop to print the number of stars. The -1 here control the decrease step. After the inner loop, we use a print function to create a new line. Here you can see we get the right answer. If we change the number of rows, we can obtain another shaped triangle. Second part of the sixth problem, we combine the 4 triangles to print a rhombus of stars. You can also try to rewrite this program by using the while loop. Since it is symmetrical up to down, we use ABS function to calculate space in each row. The first for loop here control how many rows we have. The second loop prints space in each row, while the last one prints the stars in each row. This upper triangle, for example, the row I has I stars, and the star is printed at the center, and so there is a space between two stars. So row I has row minus I minus 1 space. The down triangle is very similar. You can write it by yourself. If we run the program, you can see we obtain a row bus. And we can also change the number of rows to obtain row bus with different height. You can see we obtain a larger row bus. Last question. The outer loop also controls the number of rows, and the two inner loops control the number of space and stars, respectively. The number of space is same with question 6. And since row has all the number stars, the second inner loop should start with 2 times I minus plus 1. And we run this program. You can see we obtain the results. And similarly, we can change the row to obtain different height of primed.